The Rugo features the removable, rechargeable, quick swap power pack. The power pack is easily removed by depressing the power pack release lever on the bottom of the light. Then pull the battery pack away from the light. If unable to pull apart easily, move the power pack side to side while pulling it from the light head. You'll see the micro USB charging port on the inside of the power pack. Insert the provided micro USB cable into the power pack. Then insert the opposite USB connection into a USB compatible power source or into the included AC/DC adapter. While charging, you will see the charge indicator light next to the yellow power mode switch. The light will be red while charging. Once the power pack is fully charged, the charge indicator will turn green. The charge time for the Rugo is approximately 2.5 hours. After charging, simply connect the power pack to the light, pushing both pieces together until you hear a small click.